Okay, folks. Well, I just did a little thing I wanted to show you. It's kind of an itty bitty little thing. Well, I got a new graphic for. Actually, I've used this before. You might recognize it from another tutorial. Anyways, I just wanted to have the alphabet in my soup. No, I'm kidding. So what I did have to do was, of course, I loaded the image, right? So I took out the other image. And each time when I computed the texture, I just wanted to give a random number from, you guessed it, 1 to 26. And that would represent an offset into this image. And I did a few calculations with my PowerShell stuff. And I used Paint to figure out where everything was, and basically the starting location for the corner of each letter, right? And then how wide and high each one is. Each one's 14 by 14. And the first one starts here at 1665, right? So I did that. And then did the calculations, and I figured out all I had to do was send in the random, or wait, I computed, whoops, hold on, where is it at? I computed where the texture coordinate for the beginning, where you point the fragment shader at, because it's a point sprite. I computed that right here. So 0 to 4, 0 to 8, so it goes through 32. And basically it's plotting throughout the image. The first character, the A character, is right here. Okay, so I was able to use PowerShell to figure out where this first character started right here. Okay, and then 14 by 14, I figured out what that was in normalized device coordinates, and I put it right here. So this is the 14 on the X, this is the 14 on the Y, and that basically maps the alphabet. So this is the fragment shader, and I changed from the last demo so that the X that it traverses on the on the texture is that. And then also what I did in the fragment shader was I wanted to make the alpha, this background color of black, the alpha color, the transparency color. I wanted it to be transparent, so I didn't want to render it at all. So I did this: if text color equals vector 4, 0, 0, 0, which is black, it's all black. And then I added the text color A, which is the text color that's coming down through the pipeline here. So it doesn't matter what A becomes as a result of some of these calculations, it's going to equal that. And then it's just going to discard it. And here's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see at least a little bit of the alphabet. You can see how all the letters are, except for the letter part, transparent. And aside from being slightly off, like maybe 1 pixel here and there on the, we're good. It looks like we've got some @ signs in there. Anyways, I did this because I'm getting ready to draw a intro screen, the introductory screen to my 2D platformer. I guess I might as well reveal it now. I'm working on it. I hope to have it done within a month, so by February, early February. Excuse me, it's going to be based a little bit on the city that I live in, and a little bit on a couple friends of mine's stories and things that they've told me, and beach walking, beach combing, and then the title of it, well, you'll see that in the next coming video, so stay tuned for that. It's a little teaser. So anyways, thanks for watching my transparent alphabet. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment please in the video, in the section below the video, and stay tuned for more because we're just getting started.